As Saudi Arabia lifted the coronavirus restrictions that had been in place for months, pilgrims donning a mask were seen circling Islam's holiest site after the authorities partially resumed the year-round Umrah pilgrimage. Worshippers arrived at the Grand Mosque in the holy city of Mecca in batches to perform the ritual of circling the sacred Kaaba, which is a cubic structure towards which Muslims around the world pray. The Umrah pilgrimage can be undertaken at any time but was suspended in March due to the coronavirus pandemic. The authorities plan to revive it in 3 phases. 6,000 pilgrims per day will be allowed in the first phase to perform the ritual. To minimize the danger of the spread of coronavirus, the Grand Mosque will be sterilized before and after each group of worshippers. Each group of 20 or 30 pilgrims will be accompanied by a health worker, and medical teams will be on the ground in case of an emergency. Under the second stage from October 18th, the number of Umrah pilgrims will be increased to 15,000 per day, with a maximum of 40,000 people, including pilgrims and other worshippers, allowed to perform prayers at the mosque. Visitors from abroad will be permitted in the third stage from November 1st, when capacity will be raised to 20,000 and 60,000 respectively. It added that the Umrah would be allowed to return to full capacity once the threat of the pandemic has abated. Despite taking early and sweeping measures to contain the virus, Saudi Arabia has recorded nearly 336,000 coronavirus cases, including 4,850 deaths.